In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the email notification sound in Outlook. If those constant email alerts are interrupting your workflow, this guide will help you silence them effectively. First, let's head over to Microsoft Outlook. You can access it via your web browser or the desktop app, whichever is more convenient for you. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign in by clicking the sign in option located at the top right corner of the page. Simply enter your email address and password to proceed. Once you're in your email dashboard, let's navigate to the settings by locating the gear icon. You'll find it at the top right of your screen. This is your gateway to personalizing the Outlook experience to suit your needs. After clicking on that settings icon, the next step is to direct your attention to the settings pane, which just appeared on the right hand side of your screen. From there, scroll down and click on View All Outlook Settings, which should be right at the bottom. This will open a new window, providing a more comprehensive view of the settings options available to you. Within the settings menu, you're going to click on the General tab. This is where all your overarching settings and preferences are housed. It's in the middle of the navigation options, so a little scroll might be necessary. Once there, look for the Notifications section. This area allows you to manage how Outlook alerts you about various activities, including those notifications accompanying incoming emails. Now focus on the Mail field within these notification settings. Next to this field, there's a small arrow pointing downwards. Give that a click and you'll see several options for how mail notifications can be customized. Among these options, you'll find something related to the notification sound. This is where you can decide whether you want to hear an audible alert when new mail arrives or not. To turn it off, simply deselect or toggle the option, which is often labeled play a sound when a new message arrives. With this option disabled, the nagging ding of an arriving email will no longer disturb your concentration. Before leaving this menu, ensure that you've saved your changes. There should be a save button at the bottom right of the settings window. Click on this to finalize your adjustments and secure your preferences, and there you have it. You've successfully turned off the email notification sound in Outlook, allowing you to work without those intrusive pings. If you need to revisit this setting to make further adjustments, just follow these steps and you'll be guided right back to the necessary controls. Thanks for watching and happy uninterrupted working.